Hello everyone, this is Ellie from 241 Coding, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to create a button using only HTML and CSS. So we'll start by just creating an anchor tag and just fill it in with hashtag for now. Now we can add in our text. For now I'm going to make it click me. Now we're going to link to CSS real quick, and then we can hop right into our CSS. So inside of our CSS, the first thing we want to do is create our anchor tag, and we're going to give it a padding of 20 pixels, border 1 pixel, and make that solid. Remember to make that solid. Then we're going to add a border color and a border radius. So now we're going to go ahead and add no text decoration. Remove the text decoration, so set that to none. And then we're going to also want to make the text black, so color black. Lastly, we'll add a font family. And now if we see our results, we see click me. And if you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, as it would really help me out a ton.